Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily disconnect your Teufel Real Blue headphones from your Android device and how you can easily connect these headphones back again. So firstly we have to head over the settings and now we have to enter the connect devices. Here we have to tap this gear icon and now we have to tap disconnect here. Now we are disconnected. To connect back we can tap connect button here or go back and tap on our headphones in save devices list. But of course we have to remember that our headphones have to be in the Bluetooth pairing mode or just be available for our phone to connect. That's it, hope it helps you and have a nice day.